Good morning, everybody. Coming to you this morning, I've got this quarter down on the concrete. I wanted to use it to compare something to. I found this little feller right here alongside the road. He was right on the white line. Little itty bitty baby snapping turtle. Went down and done some wood cutting this morning, and on my way back I found him. I figured I'd bring him home and put him over in the lake across the road. Getting to be a little bit late in the season, so I'll get him down there and maybe he'll burrow into the mud for the winter. He's just a cute little feller. Look at him. Won't be playing with him like this much more. Give him a few years and he'll be wanting to eat a finger. But sure is cute now. Love nature and love my little critters. Y'all have a great day and a safe day, and have a good weekend. We'll see you all around. Bye.